आज हम इस वीडियो में सीखेंगे कि डिफरेंशिएटर क्या है और कैसे उसका डेरिवेशन हम फाइंड करते हैं। डिफरेंशिएटर इज अ सर्किट made up from 741 op amp and the circuit looks like this. Here we have connected this capacitor whose value is C to the input inverting terminal of the 741, and in this feedback path we have connected this RF resistance, and we assume that in this branch there will be a current IC, and in this branch there will be a current IF, which is known as feedback current, and this is our capacitor charging current, and this I dash or I minus is the current flown to the operational amplifier inverting terminal. And we in previous lecture where we were deriving the relationship of an integrator, we have assumed these three conditions which are valid for differentiator also. And what differentiator do? This circuit will give you the output which is proportional to the differentiation of the input voltage. We have to prove this. For proving this, at this node A we apply KCL. At the rate node A we apply KCL, which is IC is equal to IF and I minus this current. In this equation number 1 we use equation or assumption number 1, which is I dash is equal to 0 because of input impedance is high, and we can rewrite IC is equal to IF. This IC is the current through the capacitor, and by using this equation we can write IC, which is the current in this branch, which is known as the capacitor current, and CdV. This V is the net voltage across the capacitor. For this we can apply nodal analysis for finding out this net voltage, Vn minus Va and divided by dt equal to If. For finding this If we again apply nodal analysis. Va, at assuming that this is a higher node, potential at this node is higher and V naught is lower, so Va minus V naught divided by Rf. By putting Va equal to 0, using this virtual short concept, these two nodes Vb and Va having the same potential, which is ground, due to the virtual ground concept, and replacing this Va equal to 0, dVin and dt equal to minus V naught upon Rf. We can rearrange this. We have to find this V naught in terms of input voltage in differentiation. We can write minus C into Rf dVin upon dt, and this is the equation which we want to find. And in this equation we can observe that this input voltage is in terms of differentiation with respect to time to its output. Hope you get the points for this derivation, and hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.